Today I'm going to show you how to make DIY bitters, aka an herbal tincture that you can take to help your digestion. Some of the ingredients in this recipe are also carminatives, and carminatives are herbs and spices that are fantastic for digestion after meals. So we have a little bit of like before and after in this recipe. Bitter orange peel is one of the absolute best promoters of our natural digestive juices, hands down. So just fill up a mason jar with your orange peel, cinnamon sticks. You can use cinnamon shavings. I've used cinnamon leaves. It's awesome for digestion and it's delicious. Anise, so we have star anise. We have some more cinnamon peels. We have cloves. Cloves are beautiful in this recipe, and also black pepper. Black pepper is something that we call a catalyst in herbalism, and that helps to kind of kick the medicine or kick the benefits of these other plants into the system. I'm just gonna add some fresh ginger, and you can totally fill up the jar. I'm just using vodka for this recipe. That is most common when you make tincture. Something that's like a little bit smooth is nice. You wanna give it a really good shake. Let it sit for 6 weeks. Shake it often. You can strain it out and then take the liquid and either put it back in your mason jar, or you can put it into a little dropper bottle.